Come on around here. So guys, we're back out. Cruising. I think basically all the props are buggered. Like, they're all a bit bent, all a bit scratched. I should have replaced them. I was going to replace them, but I forgot. So it's extra noisy, which is great. It's like one lady out in the field. Going up here. Just get some warm-up stuff. Just chill out, you know. There's 2 people out there, so I think I'm going to be alright. You never know. It's a strange village. I don't want to say. Got a bit of water on my lens. Cruise around the forest for a bit, you know. Maybe I can get some high treetops. Yes, go. Around here, let's get it. I swear the down feature, so this button here, to pull the drone down is so delayed. Oh god, it's chilly as well. You cool down. Yeah, it slows the drone down and everything. Like, it's got to be, I'd want it to be better than pulling up on the throttle, on the... Yo, that's sick. Oh shit, missed that corner. Maybe if you can head up through here, we'll be alright. Oh yeah, let's get it. Through the alleys and that. Oh, come on. Oh shit, my camera. And the drone, whole drone stabilization. Every time you hit a little thing, the whole stabilization for the drone will just knock out. This is so funny. As soon as I take off, the whole field just fills up. I'm not even gonna bother with hanging around the field. There's no point pissing people off, innit? Oh shit, oh shit, shit, shit. We're dead. I just lost the drone, guys. Will I be able to retrieve it? Or will I have to go and manually collect it? Turtle mode. Activate turtle mode on this bitch. Oh shit, I've lost all signal. Oh wait a minute, I might have it. Oh yo, I'm back on. Oh, yo, I'm back in. I'm back in the game. Where the hell am I? Oh fuck, I'm in some bush. How do I get out of this? Yo, the navigation skills are insane. No way. I finessed it. Let's do a recovery back to the base. Yo, that's a... Didn't actually have to go and get that time. Yo, those propellers are sounding gnarly, bro. Oh, maybe it's a twig here. Right. We're on again. Yeah, that propeller. And it's getting a bit windy. Yo, I can go through this gap again. Yo, let's go. Yo, I saved it. Let's get it. Oh yeah, we're cruising, guys. Yo, new hole. Level. Oh yeah. Oh, sideways as well. Extra points. Oh, yeah, maybe. Oh, geez, that's tight. Yeah, that's a tight one. That's a weird one there. I'm gonna try finesse this shit top speed from the car park, you know? Past the Range Rover. Oh, 30 miles an hour, bro. 30. We're talking Mach 8 right there. Speeds of Mach 8 plus, no cap. Oh, no ground avoidance. Yeah, just fuck that. I'll show you another fun thing I like to do when I'm out here. Go around here, right? Through these. And then up through here. Yo! Oh, fuck. I screwed that one up. But the drone, the autopilot saved me, guys. So, guess I'm just gifted like that, you know? Oh, fuck! God. I'm giving myself like 1 inch of clearance when I'm going near the ground. Right, I've got to get back on the horse and do this jump right here again. I don't know what they're doing here. They're like making this one piece of the lawn like, you know, fit for the queen or king or something, you know? Oh, into the sunset. Hashtag #𝗵𝗶𝗶𝗀𝘀. Yo, can we make it through here? Maybe if I play it hella skilled and go through the tree layers, you know? Oh, like a pro, and I finesse it. Come on. I'm not gonna risk that. Oh, oh guys, I lost it again. It's that one. That's that ½ an inch ground clearance, you know, it just doesn't work for me. And I'm back in the game. Yeah, it's not really happy. I think I might check it. Through the sign, like this? Yeah. Okay. Yo, what's happening? Fuck! Oh, yo. Easter egg found. Let's go. Look at it. It survives. Feeling kind of devious right now, you know? Not a lot of sketchy shit I haven't tried. I've practiced pretty much all the routes. Oh fuck! Yeah, so they've taken the nets off these, which is kind of sad because the nets gave me some good some good spots, you know. But then it's cool that I can get these extra ones. Now I've got, you know, bigger spaces. But there's a good, cool shot. Maybe if I go all the way out here, past the flag like that, around this like that, then like dip by the flag. Yo. Oh yeah, that's a winning shot. Right there. You know, you just dip around here. I felt that one up. So through here. Oh yeah. I'm gonna land quickly because I hear a helicopter or some shit. I think that's going to be it for today, guys. I've got like a shift at 6 PM and it's 5:25 right now, so I'm probably going to dip. But yeah, that was it. That was the setup. See this? Oh yeah. The goggles, let's go. End of the video. Sick run, guys, with the quad. Alright, bye.